Why does this always happen? At the end of each race series, I always have the intent to get my car ready well before the next series starts, and it never happens. On Wednesday of this week, the text messages started to fly. On who is pulling their Arrmas off the shelf, dusting them off, and getting them ready for this upcoming race this coming Saturday. Now it's Friday, and I haven't even taken the body off my car. Last time we were out, we broke some steering components, so I definitely have some things to fix. So it's time to get busy. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because today we're heading out to Nor Cal Hobbies, and you're not going to want to miss this epic F1 racing action. So stay tuned.
F1, we're going to tune. Alright, great. Move out of order, but Lewis getting right back. It is on in this main event, down the back. Oh, they two of them slicing into each other. Surprisingly, though, both cars going. Maybe a little contact in Formula 1 leads to a broken car. These guys keeping it together. These are Evans up in the third spot, followed by Dave Colbert. One more up and forward. Having some challenges with that today. Getting it going right now. Definitely the best run out to want in F1 today. Kyle falls back a bit. He's got DJ Evans in the rearview mirror. Lewis has some turbulence. Take a look at Evans, nose to tail with the kid. They make their way on driver's left, on the triple apex. And they're getting on the back straightaway. Evans in control of that thing, and looking for the weight around Colbert. Taking a trip to the racing line. To exchange the trailer. Just in front of the driver's stand. Usually when you set up, that's pretty good there in the slip pass. She has a great contact, and we're going to go at it again. Evans had it set up around the 1-2 sequence. Evans looking left, looking right. Able to make it play very wide, and that's going to allow Dave Colbert to close into that battle. Run the triple apex, the left side. Colbert really wanted it to come down, but DJ not close enough to the field to do anything about that. Oh, big disaster there. Evans with the pass at the triple apex, clicking the dot. Nice job making away through traffic. Evans, the wide goes a little wide, allows Colbert with a little bit of look. They make their way down the straight. 1:50 to go, drivers. So close, those guys. Just in front. And now drivers left. Whatever EJ had is lost, but it's been given to Kyle Colbert. Oh, the two of them getting into the marbles. The dirty tires for EJ. It's going to take him a couple points to clean that off. Keep an eye on the white green. That's Dave Colbert. Left side. Little help, just flip him over. Grab him, flip him over. That's okay, just flip him over. Nice. Yeah, you don't usually see spectators getting on a Formula One racetrack. It happens every once in a while. Somebody can do some streaking or something like that, but that was really welcome. Aaron's been leading this one right in the wire. He's down the back straightaway, looking to turn 1-2 sequence. Evans in second, maybe out about 20 feet. The most amount of country he's had at the moment from October. What's like to be done, guys? As the cross will be done. Aaron Lewis taking it at 17:02, Evans 17:07, Kyle 17:08. Like one more things from the floor, Dave Colbert, Bob Roses, Cortez, and Humans.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.